Love for me is being crazy.
To be very unconditional about some person.
Undefinite feeling.
If someone is concerned about you.
When someone cares immensely for someone.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
In school, in my high school time.
8th standard में था और क्लास की मॉनिटर से प्यार हुआ था, तो हर रोज उसके लिए पनिशमेंट खाता था.
18 साल की उम्र में.
In school, yeah.
Before 5 to 6 years.
Up till now, I've just been attracted to someone maximum.
Like 3 years back.
I can't describe it precisely, honestly.
लड़कों के अलावा किसी के साथ बात करते हुए कि कोई अपनी उस टाइम लड़कियां इतनी ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती थी लड़कों के साथ, लेकिन द वन फॉर विच आई फॉल, मैं उसके साथ सब शेयर करता था. जो टीनेज में हम शेयर करते हैं वो सब मैं शेयर करता था.
I felt very protective about myself, like, you know.
मेरे को ब्लर हो जाता था सब, मेरे को उसके सिवा कुछ दिखता ही नहीं था. मैं उसकी नोटबुक्स कंप्लीट करता था, मैं उसका होमवर्क करता था, उसके मैं पनिशमेंट लेके उसके साथ खड़ा रहता था. सो लाइक इट वाज अ रियली वंडरफुल फीलिंग. मुझे कुछ बुरा नहीं लगता था तब.
Amazing. I'm on top of the world.
वो गाना है ना, तो जैसे धड़कन, तुम जो कह दो तो चांद तारों को तोड़ लाऊंगा मैं, ऐसी फीलिंग आने लगी थी. पूरा गाना चारों तरफ गाना ही बज रहा था और मन करता कि पूरे टाइम गाना ही सुनते रहो.
Being attracted to someone is more physical in nature, as in we focus more on the looks, we focus more on the sweet talking part rather than the actual feeling.
The cutest thing was she pulled my cheeks and she's like, wow, you play so amazing. So that is one of the cutest gestures I've seen.
I just look at her. She was at that point of time she was looking at me. और 3 घंटे खत्म होते हुए पूरे शायद क्लास को पता चल गया था कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे के सामने देख रहे थे और हमारा आधा पेपर छूट गया था, लेकिन it was a fun.
When my mother was out of station or I had to eat somewhere outside, she used to take a tiffin. She used to come to my house. She used to heat up everything for me and feed me very nicely. And that is the cutest gesture till date I have ever received in my life.
She's always teasing me.
Someone actually sung one of his songs for me.
एक अकेलापन जिसे आप भागते हैं, जब कोई आप किसी के साथ होते हैं तो वो आपके उस जो खालीपन को भर देता है. आपको लगता है कि मेरे साथ कोई है, चाहे आप अकेले रह रहे हैं या उससे दूर रह रहे हैं, मगर आपके साथ हमेशा आपकी रूह के साथ लगता है कोई है जो मेरी बात सुन सकता है, जो मुझे समझ सकता है.
The small stuff, okay, where are you, this, that, the small gestures, I love them. That's the best part of relationship.
Constantly there to care for us, to pay attention to us, to listen to us.
If you are feeling alone, you can call them anytime. It may be happening in friendship, but there is always a limit in friendship that you cannot share all the things. But if you are in relationship, you can share those things with your partner without being a fear of being judged too.
The feeling of someone keep constantly telling you that you're being loved or you're someone very important in someone else's life, that is one of the major part of a relationship that everyone is wanting to receive. I mean, to have someone who keeps on telling you that I love you, because we don't receive it every day in our lives. So that is the most important thing.
2 main things, trust and communication. Without these 2 things, the relationship may crumble.
I think both the aspects, the physical as well as emotional, if they go hand in hand, that only then a romantic relationship can function.
एक जुगलबंदी.
When somebody is angry or extremely angry, but not enough angry to care for someone.
I think it's a space. The space you given to your partner. It is the most romantic aspect, I guess.
Forgiving and forgetting each other's mistakes.
लव वाला जो अप्रोच होता है वो थोड़ा सा स्लो होता है. when people come to you, it is very slow. They are shy. They might even not approach you for first things first. वो तुमको शायद approach भी ना करें.
It focuses more on listening to your partner, talking it out to your partner, or sharing stuff with your partner.
Love does not even need to be expressed. Someone's look can say enough.
The absence भी matter करती है. That is love.
Whereas lust may not even include, not even scratch the surface of this.
Not at all.
पर पहले देखते ही looks हैं, तो I think yeah, it matters a lot to me, to be honest.
I think say 40-60 matter करता है.
That's what starts any relationship.
Good looks last temporarily, but a good human being can make a huge difference in your life.
Should be caring.
A good sense of humor.
Great understanding.
Kind enough for towards strangers as well.
बुरा कम माने.
Handle my craziness.
Decision maker.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.